Okay, so it's been a really long time since I did a video, but I wanted to share something I thought of this morning. I've been a little obsessed with Dollar Tree, and I've been watching lots of hauls and crafts and DIY, so I thought I'd share this one. Right now, Dollar Tree sells this welcome Easter sign, and it comes like this, but I already took this one apart, but it's super easy. It just has ribbon and then they're taped on the back. So what I did was I just took all of these off. Sorry, I'm filming this one-handed. And then you can even take this off and then use that for something else. But then this is just the ribbon that you don't need. And then what you'll do is, it's super simple. You need that sign, 5 popsicle sticks. So we're just going to make little Easter egg stakes by hot gluing the egg onto a popsicle stick. And then you can stick them in your greenery. If I had foam, this would work out a lot better. But again, you just take the back side, a popsicle stick, and my glue sticks are from the Dollar Tree and they are glittery. So that's what I'm using right now. But then again, you'll just repeat this step for all your popsicle sticks. And we have 2 more. How cute is this polka dot one? So the Dollar Tree also sells really large yard stakes. This is just like a mini version, which I thought was really cute. And I hadn't seen anybody else do this type of DIY, which is nothing hard or anything. But again, if I had foam, I didn't really plan on doing this craft. But if I had foam, I could really stick these in a lot easier. But isn't this super cute? With the little eggs in your flower arrangement, and the bucket and the flowers all came from the Dollar Tree as well. So let me see if I go over here and put it in. Oh, that's cute. So anyways, I hope you guys appreciate this little tutorial on how to do little egg steaks from items from the Dollar Tree.